you want to add any shapes, if you want to subtract any shape from other shape, how to create that? So we have an option called Pathfinder. So by using Pathfinder, you can trim shapes, you can subtract shape, you can merge shape, and you can divide shape also. So one by one, so there are a lot more options in Pathfinder. So just follow the process as shown above. You can play and you can create own shapes using Pathfinder also. The first one is unite or merge, you can call it as. So it will combine different shapes into a single shape. So once it is done, you can change the color, you can add stroke, you can play with these things. So then if you want to subtract any shape, so you have an option minus front. The object appear in the front part, automatically you can subtract by using minus front. So now you can see I am using minus front. So but the star shape, it is subtracting. So once I am clicking on minus front. So then the next one is intersect. You can see the shape, that is only overlapped shape. You can see except that everything is removed. And the next one is exclude. You can see overlap shape is subtracted and except overlapped shape everything remains constant. With these things, so we have some more options. So the one is, so you can use divide option, you can use trim option, you can use merge option, and also crop, outline, and you can also do minus back. So these are all the helpful tools to create shapes or to cut shapes from one shape with other shape. So we have one option called Symbol Sprayer. So in that Symbol Sprayer tool, you can spray your symbols according to your designs. So wherever you need, you can spray. So where you will get symbols, just go for Windows. So just search for symbol library. So you will get lot more symbols to use. Or otherwise, if you want to add custom symbols, just create a symbol and drag and drop inside the swatches or inside the symbol library. So there you will get new symbols. You can use it for your designs. So here just I'm creating one star symbol by using star tool. So just draw a star, fill the color, just drag and drop the symbol into the symbol. So here give a name, so maybe whatever shape it is or whatever design it is. So then convert object to graphic type and make it as symbol. Once it is done, apply. In symbol library you can see your custom symbol. So now by using symbol sprayer tool, I'm going to spray this star. So in symbol sprayer tool, so we have a lot more options. The first one is symbol sprayer tool. The second one is symbol shifter tool. If you want to move symbols, if you want to shift symbols from one place to another place, you can use symbol shifter tool. Then one more is symbol scruncher tool. If you want to decrease the shape, or if you want to give, or if you want to reduce the space between the symbols, you can use scruncher. So then sizer tool is there. So if you want to play with the symbol sizes, you can use symbol sizer tool. Then symbol spinner tool is there. If you want to rotate the angle of any symbols, you can use this. So then symbol stainer, to make a lighter shade or to make a darker shade, we have a symbol stainer. In the same way, we have symbol screener also. You can increase and decrease the shades of a symbol. So then symbol styler tool. So if you want to add some style for the symbols, you can use that also. So there are a lot more options you can play with symbols. So just you need to do, add a symbol, explore the tools,